Understanding Face Mask, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we have a very relevant and important topic to discuss, face mask. With the recent global events, this phrase has become a part of our everyday vocabulary. So, let's dive in and understand what face mask means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. A face mask is a compound noun made up of two words, face and mask. Let's break it down. Face. This is the front part of your head, from your forehead to your chin, including your eyes, nose, and mouth. Mask. This is a covering made to fit over your face, or a part of it, to protect or hide it. When combined, face mask refers to a protective covering that goes over your nose and mouth, and sometimes the entire face, depending on the type. There are various types of face masks available, and they serve different purposes. 1. Surgical mask. A loose-fitting, disposable mask that protects the wearer's nose and mouth from contact with droplets, splashes, and sprays that may contain germs. 2. N95 respirator. A tight-fitting mask that filters out at least 95% of particles in the air, including large droplets and smaller airborne particles. 3. Cloth mask. A mask made from fabric, often homemade, that covers the nose and mouth. Understanding the type of mask and its proper use is crucial for ensuring your safety and the safety of others. Now that we know what a face mask is and the different types, let's see how we can use this phrase in sentences. 1. Please make sure to wear a face mask when you enter the store. 2. The doctor wore a surgical face mask during the operation. 3. It's recommended to wash your cloth face mask regularly. These sentences show the practical use of the phrase in different contexts. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, face mask. Remember, wearing a face mask is a simple yet crucial way to protect yourself and others, especially in public spaces. Stay safe, keep learning, and see you in the next video.